Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Big final, please pull. I get a blow again. I can amount to my tongue. I walk away. Nagatawa, the teammate Itaga, the coach from Passapoteman to the Nona. Coach before Ken on Tore. Coach before Ken on Tore. I'm going to score and the team like Sanatamata. And Joto Rape, when I did space behind the defense line, kiss them in space. So that's why you're going to go at
4 times, and everyone must remember that this club continues to write history, and we are proud of everyone, proud of the players, technical team, management as a whole. It's really been a wonderful season up to so far, and hopefully we can continue and pick up from where we left off, and this is it. We must continue to do this and make all of these supporters happy.
Hey, angazi nami sizonjani ngijabule kakhulu ngoba i-first cup yami ngikhona ethimini yabona nje ngihappy angazi nokuthi ngingathini ngijabule.